everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can make FaceTime calls using your email or your phone number and your iPhone. It is very easy. What you need to do is just go to the settings, make sure you go to the settings and scroll down, and there is an option of apps. Under the apps, if you need to find out the FaceTime app in the F section, as this is the FaceTime app, tap on it. Make sure that FaceTime app is enabled on your email. Make sure another thing which you need to make sure is your Apple ID is logged in. Just like this, your Apple ID is logged in. After your Apple ID is logged in, you need to go to the apps, and then you need to go to the FaceTime and make sure that this option is enabled. After this option is enabled, you can come back and you can turn on your FaceTime app, or you can create a link or an invite for FaceTime, or you can directly call to your contacts. So that's how you can actually make a FaceTime calls using your email or your phone number. Thank you very much. Bye bye.